So I'm videotaping Fabiola from the top of the hive. I'm looking down on the landing board, and approximately in the center of the screen you see 3 bees kind of lined up in a row. And what they're doing is they're actually air conditioning the hive right now. So they're all beating their wings very, very quickly. You probably can't even see them. And what it's doing is it's creating a current of air circulation so that cool air can go into the hive and hot air can escape, of course. So they do that on really, really hot days in order to regulate the temperature of especially the brood box, which is the bottom box, and the whole hive in general.